Oracle Fusion Cloud Touchpoints enables managers and employees to have informed and meaningful interactions. Using this application, managers are encouraged to take the necessary steps to improve engagement levels and build trust with their team, and employees are supported with tools to voice their opinions and proactively enhance their work interactions. The Manager's Touchpoints summary page is a dashboard that gives them a snapshot of how their team is doing. They can quickly see their average number of interactions, which includes celebrations and feedback and check-ins with their team, and how those measure against the rest of the organization over the last 3 months. Here, they can see their team's responses to the pulse survey that's used to measure employee sentiment. The survey can be set up as a daily, weekly, or monthly survey, but we recommend daily or weekly. They can see how their team ranks among other teams in the organization by viewing the related trend lines. In this view, managers are presented with lists of specific team members and highlights where they may require more engagement. The Team Poll Score list features team members with low poll scores. Here you can see the upcoming and overdue check-ins. When you click View More, it opens the Employees List page. By default, the list of overdue check-ins is sorted by furthest first. The manager can also sort the check-ins by last name and poll scores. On the Employees List page, managers can view the latest poll scores, the 7-day trend lines for individual team members, and the individual check-ins schedule. There are 3 actions a manager can take for his reports on this page: schedule check-in, send feedback, and celebrate event. Touchpoints makes it easy to schedule a check-in, build an agenda, and add discussion topics. Managers can also click View Recommendation Topics to see additional topics that can be added to the agenda. Recommendations include insights, which are nudges specifically presented as discussion topics for a check-in. In this scenario, the manager is encouraged to add insight topics related to the employee's goals. The manager can add employee performance and development goals and anytime feedback as discussion topics. Now the check-in and its agenda are complete. Managers can drill down to their employees' individual touchpoints page. Here, they can review the historical poll scores for this specific employee. This gives the manager the opportunity to focus on how this employee's scores are trending to inform whether further or different engagement is needed. Recommendations for the manager, or nudges, listed here, such as early goal completion, anniversaries, approaching check-ins, low poll scores, and celebrations, can serve as coaching tools for the manager. The timeline presents celebration events the employee has received and feedback they've received, like this one from their manager. The timeline displays check-ins between the manager and the employee. The timeline card presents the total number of discussion topics and the number of topics marked complete. In this scenario, the check-in remains open because not all topics were discussed. Managers in multi-level organizations can also use the Switch Team function to look at their indirect reports to help influence and encourage their engagement. Upper-level managers can't schedule check-ins with their indirect reports, but they can celebrate events and send feedback. Upper-level managers can also look at the summary pages for the managers who report to them. Thanks for watching.